Well, what a surprise. First to be welcomed to InterContinental Madrid by Susanna in the club lounge, who's been here 30 years and looks about 25. And welcome now to the Ava Gardner suite. She lived here on and off for 10 years, from 1959, and it sounds as though she was out on the town most nights, sometimes, but not always, with Frank Sinatra. What a thrill to be staying here. It was put up by Conrad Hilton, and it ran as Hilton for some years. It's beautifully palatial. Joe Biden stayed here 3 years ago. It's very well thought out. And look, they've got mouthwash, which is not usual in European hotels. The shower's got a really sensible safety rail. And there's a rubber mat for the tub. And there's no password for the Wi-Fi. Life's looking better and better. And look at the bed. Think of who has slept in this bed with its glorious half-tester. There she is. And here she is again. There's a raised work area one side, and the other side there's a raised table that I'm using as unpacking. The table's got a glass top, so I'm not disturbing the surface. And I'm going to go up 2 steps. So first of all, not only have I got a book on Ava, but I've got documentation on her time in the hotel, specially printed for me, my name on it, and the date. Attention to detail. Well done. Now, over a ledge and on to my terrace. It's a grey, cold day. Here on Castellana, the main thoroughfare of Madrid. Oh, what a thrill for the last night in Madrid, here at InterContinental